Okay, so we've established that hybrid cloud is the future, but managing networks across cloud, on-prem, and edge locations. That's where software-defined networking, or SDN, comes in. Let's break down how AWS does it and where AI-driven self-configuring networks are taking us next. Hey, welcome to my channel. Think of traditional computer networking for a second. Packets hop from router to router, each making decisions based on its local view of the network. If there's a problem, you're left troubleshooting a bunch of individual devices trying to figure out where things are going wrong. SDN changes all that. Instead of having each router make its own decisions, SDN centralizes control like a brain steering traffic across the whole network, whether it's Oz Cloud, your data center, or the edge. This way, no matter where your data flows, it's always being managed in the most efficient, secure, and cost-effective way possible. But what does that actually look like in practice? Well, let's get into it. Here at Oz, we offer a few key benefits with our SDN solution. First, agility. You can spin up links between cloud and on-prem in minutes, not days or weeks. Second, security, microsegmentation. Assign policies to control access between any two points in your network. Third, cost efficiency. No more over-provisioning bandwidth. Pay only for what you use. Now that you know the benefits, let's see how AWS makes it all work. Our hybrid magic relies on 4 pillars. 1. AWS Outposts, which brings Oz services closer to where your customers and users are located. Think of these as essentially like an AWS region in your basement. 2. Oz Direct Connect, which provides a private, direct connection from your on-premises network to AWS, bypassing the public internet and any associated lag. 3. AWS Transit Gateway, which acts as the SDN traffic cop for your network. It's a fully managed service that creates a single, unified network fabric across your Oz resources, on-premises sites, and branch offices. And finally, Oz CloudWAN, which adds fully automated SD-WAN for global networks on top of the other 3 pillars. And it all comes together like this. Data flows from your on-premises network to your AWS Transit Gateway, which uses software to determine the best path for your data, whether that's through Oz Direct Connect or another route. Your data then travels to the destination network, be it AWS or on-premises. No more complicated configurations on your routers. Everything's defined by your intent and managed by Transit Gateway software. And here's a quick B-roll demo. In the console, we'll create a new route in Oz Transit Gateway, allowing us to manually specify the origin and destination and add tags. And now in the demo, we'll send traffic from our on-premises network to Oz, and in a few moments, we'll be able to see the results. Now watch this. We just added a route for traffic destined to AWS. So now let's watch as a packet of data flows through our network. Once it reaches Transit Gateway, it consults the route table to determine the best path to Oz. Now watch as we change the destination network. Notice how the data takes a different path. Now imagine if this was dozens or hundreds of networks. This level of control and automation simply isn't possible with traditional networks, so where are we headed? The next step in the evolution of networks is AI-driven self-configuring networks enabled by SDN. With this approach, no longer do you need network engineers spending countless hours tweaking configurations. AI takes over. Predictive scaling. AI can forecast traffic spikes, like what we see on Black Friday, and automatically scale your network resources to handle the load. Self-healing. If a cable gets cut or a network device fails, AI can detect it and reroute traffic in milliseconds. Intent-based networking. Just tell the AI your intent, like prioritizing video calls over file transfers, and it'll make the necessary adjustments. Here at Oz, we're already baking this into CloudWAN, and look out for metrics. Soon, hybrid networks will run themselves. Check out the link below for more on this. So there you have it, a quick breakdown of SDN and how AWS is helping you take full advantage of it. If you want to go deeper on Oz Transit Gateway, drop a comment below. And be sure to subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you next time.